So you only have 4 days in Barcelona? You don't know what to do? Don't worry, I got you. What's up, guys? We're back again, but this time we are in the lovely Barcelona. We just got here from Madrid via train, came straight to the hotel, dropped off our bags, and this here is actually part of the hotel. It actually has a garden view in the back, which was really nice. Cool spot to just hang out and just relax. But now we're about to grab something to eat and hit the town. Let's go. We saw a lot of different attractions here in the Gothic Quarter, and I would definitely recommend you guys doing a walking tour to just get the full effect of the Gothic Quarter. Now, afterwards, we got a little hungry. I know you're probably wondering, what is she eating? But this spot has some of the best desserts we've ever had. You guys gotta try it. We spent the rest of that night walking down Las Ramblas Street and exploring the neighborhoods near the Gothic Quarter. Day 2, we woke up a little bit later than we expected, but nonetheless, we had a great time. We took the train straight to Montserrat, which was about an hour and 10 minutes away, and it brought us straight to the Abbey of Montserrat. I would say Montserrat is a must-see if you are in Barcelona and you are looking for a day trip. Day 3, we took the hike up to Montejoy Castle. The walk here was very steep, I'm not gonna lie, but you take a lift all the way up to the top of the castle, but the views from the castle are amazing. After we left the castle, we decided not to go to the beach because it was still pretty cold. So we headed back to the hotel, walked around a little bit, and then headed back out to this cool little rooftop bar spot. Day 4 was Gaudí Day. We saw 2 of his most popular attractions, the first being Park Güell. The second being La Sagrada La Familia, but during the daytime. Unfortunately, it was closed today due to Epiphany, but we definitely plan on going inside the next time we come back to Barcelona.